student at 청담, 평촌. Today we will be discussing which is better, studying alone or studying in groups. Many people like to study alone and many people like to study in groups. In my opinion, I think it is better to study in groups for two reasons. First, I think studying in groups is better because they can help each other on something they don't know. Studying in groups can also boost your grades because of the help you get from your study group friends. I once studied in groups with my school friends at the local library. My friends helped me a lot and I also helped them a lot. So my friends' grade improved. Many people learn a lot of cool and important facts from their closest friends. I also learned a lot of cool and important facts from my friends. Second, if you study in a group with your friends, you can study more happily and have fun. A lot of people don't like studying very much because it's boring, including me, even when you listen to exciting music while studying. Studying is still boring and not fun, so when you study in a group with your closest friends, studying will become more fun and exciting. I also enjoy studying with my friends instead of studying alone. Also, when I study, I get very tired, but when I study with my friends, I am full of energy. In conclusion, I think it is better to study in groups for two reasons. First, you can help each other when you don't know something, and second, it is more fun to study in groups. Thank you for listening to my presentation.